do something different this time. We're going to take and put tires and bottles into the river instead of taking them out. Well, you can't swap the springs when you do that. Well, here it is. You got 33 feet or 35 feet of tires stuffed with Coke bottles and Sprite bottles, wrapped together with heavy rope, with inner tube over the rope to protect it from UV, and weighted nets in the caption area. And here comes the reserves. Josh, my muscle man. Good morning, world. We're here at Kaboom 006, the grandstand baby canoe. There's the grandstand. It's been rather disappointing. There really was no trash on this at all, hardly just a bottle or a cup. And there's just no people living upstream, really. You know, it goes back up into the mountains, not any houses around, so. And it gets all twisted up now and then with all the debris that comes down, so we're gonna remove this one. Yep, you heard me right. I'm taking one of my kabooms out and I'm gonna repurpose it. I got a new place that's gonna be killer for stopping the trash, so that's my duty today, is to dig this guy out of there, and it's not gonna be easy. I'll be back. Here we are down with the baby kaboom, and she's all full of debris. She did stop a couple pieces of trash and a bottle or two, but that's gonna be some work. But she held together pretty good, even though she got all twisted and didn't do any damage. But I'm gonna have to do some serious damage to get this back out of there. It's not gonna be as easy as dropping it in. These tires get a little heavy, especially when they got water in them. And it's almost impossible to get it all out. So, time to get to work. And we got her cut into 3 sections that I'm hoping I can haul out of here and get in the car. We'll see. And I'm gonna pull both of those up and disconnect the rope, tie it to this guy and drag it up, and see if I can't get it loaded in the car instead of the house, and start assembling the Anito Balbagon highway kaboom, coming soon to the river next to me where I live. Well, I got one dragged out. That wasn't too bad. Luckily the water level's down and the tires don't have a whole lot of water in them, but they're still, that's heavy enough. My back was already hurting from the other day. Now to tackle that side. Alrighty, I got the second section pulled up. That one was a little harder. It had more water in it. There's actually little fish in there too, flopping around. And these are going in my car, so I might have a little river marine life in my car by the time I get these unloaded. Ready to tow up the last section along with the skirt and the corals. See if I can't get it out of here. Some might think, well, you failed on this one. Well, I don't think of it that way. I think about learning from it. I've never dealt with one where we're on the concrete with like a ½ inch of water scooting through. It was a real challenge getting the skirt weighted so it would actually stop anything. We got all kinds of critters. I had a frog jump out. There's a small fish that flipped back down in. We got a big huge beetle. These things are actually a habitat for a lot of little creatures. Think about it. That's a pretty good hiding place in there too, for protection and to breed even. So yeah, I mean, maybe environmental ecological booster, huh? It's a baby making kaboom. In the car, take it home and reassemble it into the next kaboom, but I don't want this one to be forgotten, so it'll still be Kaboom 006 that I learned a lot from. We'll designate it A. Rest in peace, A. And the next Kaboom 006 next to my house by the highway on a river right between Anito and Balbagon will be Kaboom 006B. Resurrected. So, and I don't need my workout in today. I got my shoulders in yesterday. I was going to do back today, but after this I can skip my back workout because I can already feel it. So this canal's back to natural. Really not that much trash. There's one piece of rope I couldn't get, but I'm sure the kids will. Anyhow, load her up, head them out. And there you have it. She's all loaded up, ready to go home. Get this thing reassembled and reinstalled. So that was my morning. Very good workout. My poor car, I don't even care anymore. It is so wiped from the Typhoon and the Kaboom being truck, substitute truck. So anyway, that was pretty much my day so far. I'm gonna go home and relax my back for a little bit and then unload these and start assembling the next Kaboom. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I need a few more subs because I'm not getting monetized for some reason. I'm doing everything right that I know of, but they do not want me to get AdSense going for some reason. So I'm relying on GoFundMe and my Patreon loyal supporters. So I'll be back. And we got the load home safe and sound. I was just talking to a guy at Prygrass where I get my propane, named Benji. He's the manager there. He's a member of the Eagles group here, and they would like to get involved with it. And guess who's one of the members, the head of DENR. So we're going to see if we can get them to take care of Krusty Kaboom. Well, here I am, exactly 1 year later, the same month, same week. This time last year I had the very first Kaboom that went into the Coke Canal, the Coke Canal Kaboom, all laid out. There's a video on it there. And had Bill come down with his truck and Josh, and we went and installed it. And here I am 1 year later. I'm going to see if I can't have this puppy done by the 31st as an anniversary one for the Anito Balbagon Kaboom 006B. So wish me luck, because I got a bunch of oddball tires to mix and match here and a few there to strip off. I can't use all the 10 inches, but I can use 3 of them on the ends, and I got enough tires and I got enough bottles. I got a whole bunch of bottles. I'll be back. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification button, I guess some people say. I'm not very good at this yet, so sorry.